What are you expecting as potentially additional charges, and do you see federal charges on the way?
Well, federal charges are possible, but typically when you have a murder case, it's prosecuted by the local DA. That's the low-hanging fruit. The state legislature has passed statutes. Anytime the federal government gets involved, there has to be jurisdiction, so they don't automatically have jurisdiction when a crime is committed. So it's going to have to come under some sort of crime that, engages interstate commerce that gives the federal government a stake in the claim.
Do you think this is ripe for a death penalty case?
I would not be surprised if the local prosecutor's office sought the death penalty. Yeah. I would not be, but I think you really sort of have to reserve your opinion on that until you hear more facts. Whether this individual was mentally ill, what was going on in his head, what was his motivation. Clearly it's a murder if it's proven, right? Yeah. But when you start getting into death penalty, you start looking at the circumstances around the murder and why the murder took place.
And so many of those questions, obviously at this point in the investigation, do not have answers, and sources say that Robinson is not speaking with investigators.